Hi everyone, I'm here doing a plan with me. Um, I wrote some stuff in the monthly. I'm not going to carry it all over to here. I mean, I'm not going to decorate. I will carry that stuff over to here. So I'm ready to do the week of Monday the 30th of October through Sunday the 5th of, um, November. Of course, the 31st is Halloween. I already got to be at my granddaughter's school on Saturday night, the 28th, for trunk or treat. That was fun. I also babysat her, so we've done some activities. I don't know yet what I'm doing on this side. I decided I was going to go with mostly purple and black with a little bit of orange thrown in. And the only reason I'm throwing the orange in is because Halloween's over on the 31st, first of all. So I can switch back to fall a little bit, but also because I want to use up some of the non-planner stickers I have, like these, which have a lot of orange in them. I won't use all of them. And maybe I'll use this for the 31st. Or one of these other ones. Anyway, these are from paper collections I have, and these are, I don't know, Dollar Tree. These are a little puffy. I might not use these in here. I'll probably just use these two, and then I'm going to bring in some books of Happy Planner stickers, and I am trying to use up a few books. Well, this one is pretty new. Well, it's you see it says 2016 and 17. It goes 16, 17, 18. I'll never use those, and I don't usually do undated planners, so I won't get a lot of this, except there are some sayings and stuff in here. This one has some really pretty stickers. I didn't use much of that yet. This one I have been using, and I put sideways the sheets, and I thought I had more purple, but I'll definitely use this. I'll try and use that too. That's another reason I brought in orange. But you see, for Halloween, I don't have any purple in that. So, And then I have these sort of purplish bullets, and this came out of one of them. I don't remember which, the laundry. I'll just use that purple laundry. This one, I don't know why that's there. And this has shopping and pickup RX. So I'm gonna, and there's a box in one of these books, this one. I'm gonna use this, I think, if it'll fit up here for meal planning. So I'm gonna start with that, and I'm gonna go ahead and decorate, and then I'll come back and show you. Okay, everyone, here is the meal plan for the week of October 30th through November 5th. I'm having trouble with some of these stickers that were from that paper collection sticking, but I used those mostly, and some Happy Planner stickers out of various books, and a little bit of washi, some black sparkly, and just this spiderweb one down here at the bottom. I didn't use a whole lot. I maybe could use another thing there, but I want to leave a little bit of room here. I think I might write like a recap of how my craft fair does, which is on the 4th. So, meal plan this week is going to be pretty light. Not really light, but easy. So Monday is hot dogs and baked beans. Yesterday I made veal parmesan with mashed potatoes and mixed vegetables. So we have some leftover of that as well. So if my son prefers, he can have that over any of these meals. And if not, I'll have it for lunches sometimes. Anyway, Monday is hot dogs and baked beans. Tuesday is hamburgers or Chick-fil-A sandwich. I know, two fast foods right in a row. But I have frozen rolls I have to use, and we can use them for either one of them because I have a whole nother one that I bought. Long story. Wednesday, spaghetti and white clam sauce with green beans and garlic knots, which I'm going to try. Got them at Aldi's on Sunday, what was it, 29th, which wasn't a plan originally to go shopping then, but I did. I'm almost done my shopping for the month now. Anyway, Thursday, fish patties, french fries, and applesauce. unless I decide to make another vegetable. Oh, by the way, my nails are chipping, but my granddaughter and I did our nails the same. She did a good job, and um, she gave me the idea of doing the polka dots. My polka dots got all blotchy, but I still think they're pretty. This is supposed to be orange, but it's a pinky orange and black and purple. So I took the nail polish and we both did our own nails. Anyway, Friday, happy hamburger macaroni casserole and zucchini because I want to use up, I have one box of hamburger helper, cheeseburger macaroni or something. I just want to get it out of my closet. And then from now on, I'm just making my own hamburger macaroni casserole. It's better anyway. So, but I want to use that up. And I bought 2 zucchini um, just this morning. Um, Pizza, Saturday is pizza, or because Saturday is going to be busy for me, pizza or possibly um, a can or two of tuna with some peas and mushrooms over toast. I just couldn't fit the mushrooms on there. Something my mom used to make and I haven't had in a long time. And I watched a video of a gentleman down south make it, and he, said his mom used to make it and his grandmom and all that. And it's like a Depression era dish, but it's really good. You should try it sometime. If you like peas, if you don't, take them out. If you don't like mushrooms, don't put them in and just have tuna over toast. And all you have to do is make a white sauce and put that stuff in it. Anyway, and then Saturday is going to be, I have some salmon fillets from Costco I'd like to use. They're in my freezer with baked potatoes. I bought 2 baked potatoes and some cauliflower, I think. Veggies are always, what do I have open? Because I don't usually make we like frozen vegetables, but I also have some canned, so just depends on what we're in the mood for, and if I have any half bags of vegetables with a rubber band around them, I might try and finish them. But I did that on Sunday. Finished a bag of mixed vegetables. Anyway, Monday, today I'm doing this video a little late, is playing with me in video. Oops. Um, this morning, I did something I never did. Yesterday morning, I went to shop at Aldi's because um, I have some bills I want to pay off, so I actually transferred money out of my rollover IRA that I have to pay them off. And then I actually need to find a green sticker for payday for here. I have a small retirement pension that I get on the 1st, but I have a big bill due that I budgeted for in October, but I messed up somehow and I didn't have enough money to pay it. That's another reason I took money out. So I decided I shop monthly for groceries, but with a little bit of uh, like midway through the month, or usually I shop in mid-month, but I decided I'm going to go get it done at the first of the month and see if I can make it all the way through the end of November, with the exception of my son takes sandwiches every day for lunch. We will need more sandwiches. I bought more apples and I also bought pears, so he has fruit, and we have snacks for his lunch and stuff like that, and he just drinks water. So, except for bread and maybe some fresh produce like salad. But I bought spinach and salad, so we're good for a week or two, depending on how I can stretch that. Um, and then I'll have to go get some other things, or he does. It might be his shopping. I promised my son I'd make brownies so that he can take some into work for Halloween. So that's on my to-do after I'm done getting this video uploaded. And I wrote on here shower. Sorry, guys. I just want to make it a point to get a shower because I'm going to get my hair cut. I have to get my hair cut. That was on my calendar for last week. I didn't do it. Partly because I didn't have a whole lot of cash and I didn't have a whole lot of money left at the end of the month period. Too much information, I know. Anyway, now I have some money and I have to get my hair cut because I have a craft fair on Saturday and I want it to look halfway decent. I'm not getting it colored or done fancy. I'm just getting it cut and maybe a blow dry because I just like the way they do it better than I do. Anyway, I don't usually blow dry my hair. It's just it air dries, which is healthier for your hair. So that's it. Oh, I also had to pick up a prescription, which is at this particular grocery store. So I like to do Aldi's first because it's cheaper and try and get as much as I can. And lately, I've been making my shopping list online to see what they have available and not. Um, I didn't exactly stick to, and also to get an idea how much it will be and see if I had to cut anything out. So I did get all but one or two things that were on the list. However, I also got $48 worth of extras, many of which are in the freezer or yeah, I got a big can of they're like nuts, but they have pretzels in and stuff. It really sounds good. I eat nuts, but in small quantities. Anyway, for snacks. So also, I have to get gas in my car, which is at a same chain as a grocery store as this, but they were out of stock on like 10 things. So I went to look at a different store, which is right next to their gas station. It's the only one in this area, and I have points. So I'm going to go get gas with some of the points, and obviously won't cover all of it. I have to get cash out because I need a haircut. And I have to pick up that order between 8 and 9 a.m. So I'll go over, get gas. It's about 15 minutes away. Go over, get gas, pick up that grocery thing, be done with that, and then later I'll go out and get cash. I should have put it separately and get my hair cut. And then at night, we have our little trick-or-treaters. We do have two little ones that live right next to me, and then two doors down. Sometimes their grandchildren come over, and there's two little ones there. And diagonally across the street, their grandchildren, I think, come. And I think there's three of them. I can't remember exactly. Anyway, so that should be fun to see the outfits and stuff. I didn't even have any candy. I went when I was at my daughter's on Saturday when she came home after I babysat in the morning. She shared some of her massive bags of candy and put them in little treat bags for me. So I have enough for 8 children. So I hope there's not many more. Like if they bring friends and stuff. And one of them, their birthday, one of the ones next door, their birthday is on Halloween. All right, then Wednesday I have to pick out an outfit to wear to the craft fair. Nothing fancy, but I just want to know so I'm prepared. What am I wearing? I have to undo my Halloween nails, and I'm just going to leave them not done until Friday, and then I'll redo my nails. And I started to make jewelry last week twice. I started it. I kind of lost my mojo, but I want to finish one of those things of jewelry and do a video if I can on Wednesday. That should be doable. And also, if I have enough laundry to do, I'll do laundry. Otherwise, I'll probably wait and do that on the following Monday because my son usually does his on Sunday. Anyway, then Thursday, I have to pick out of all the jewelry I've made, I have to pick out what I want to take to the craft fair and practice the setup that I'm going to have, like do a dummy setup kind of thing. Check on my tablecloths, make sure they're clean and neat, all that kind of stuff to get ready for the craft fair. And I also have to make sure I have enough packaging materials. I have certain ones. I hope I do because it's too late to get them here now, I think, unless I overnight them or something. And then maybe if I don't, I can. Is City still in business? I don't know. I might have to go to Party City. Um, anyway, then Friday's last minute preps for craft fair. I have to load all the setup stuff into the car, but I don't take my jewelry out until I'm going in the morning, and that's early in the morning. Then I do want to also clean house a little bit, not a ton, but Swiffer the kitchen floor. If I still need to do some dusting, I did some major cleaning a couple days ago, but I I only got like half rooms done, and anyway, long story. Redo my nails, and then this is the big day. I have to be there at 7 a.m., and it's about 30 minutes away or so. Um, so I had to leave early with my coffee in hand and my snacks because I don't want to have to buy lunch there. even though it'll smell really good because they have a little thing where they sell soup and stuff. Anyway, 7 to, I think it ends at 2, but I put 3 because it takes me an hour to unset up and load up the car. And I left this blank. My cousin might come down. He lives about an hour and a half away. Come over, I should say, not down. And if he does, we might go have dinner somewhere afterwards. I told him I might be too tired, but we'll see. I hope I get to see him. Anyway, and then Sunday, plan with me and do the video. Hopefully, I won't let it off till Monday and do my menu plan. I have to clean the kitty litter because it's trash out. Actually, I have to. I'm gonna just add another one here. Clean litter. I only have one kitty, and we have a special area for her litter box. I don't usually clean it more than twice a week. Sometimes I do 3, but so clean litter, trash out. But not the recycle. My trash service just changed it to every other week for recycle, and this is the week we don't put that out. But they also gave us a gigantic bin that will never fill. Anyway, and then I have to do some administrative paperwork recapping the craft fair, business stuff. Like record my sales, figure out what the sales tax collected was, blah, 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 blah. All that fun, boring stuff. Fun, boring stuff? Is that possible? No. So anyway, I've rambled on long enough. This is my planner layout, and this I'll probably just write a little brief summary on how I think the craft fair went. Will I do it again next year? This is my one that I like to do. It's in a development my mother lived in, an over 55 development. My mother lived in for about 10 years, I guess. Uh, Maybe 15 years. I can't remember. Anyway, and they usually have a good turnout, well advertised, and I usually do pretty well there. So, but it's my only craft fair this year, which I'm upset about. Anyway, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great week ahead, and see you next time. Bye.